Welcome guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to turn on or turn off OneNote run in background Windows 10 PC. So as if you want to turn on or turn off OneNote run in background Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly click on start. After click on settings. After click on privacy. Left panel, scroll down and click on background apps. Scroll down and here option OneNote for Windows 10. So guys, if you want to off disable, so toggle off position, and if you want to on enable, so toggle on position. That is, so guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on or turn off OneNote run in background Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.